Vir, come on. Let me service you first. Yes.
I will expose Vir today for sure. Mommy!
Vir! Vir! Where are you? Where are you?
Look now. Look, Daddy. You see for yourself. Look, Daddy.
What do you think you're doing?
Bunty, where's the machine? You always keep bothering us all the time.
Huh? This time I have the proof too. Wait a second. Look at this. Huh? Where is that clip that I shot? Where is that clip that I shot? It was...
Huh? You hold your ears and get home. I will tell you. Where has that clip gone?
Mommy, I'm telling the truth. Mommy, please hear me out. Mommy. What? What was I saying? Some truth or what? Tell me, Mommy. Mommy, why have we come here?
You get home first. I will tell you then.
You were right. That parrot is the thief. Come now and catch him.
Someone is making the parrot steal. I will follow the parrot and catch him.
Oh no, he flew away.
Don't worry, I'm watching him. Come on, Chulbu, we need to go faster. He has gone way ahead of us.
Well, wings can't be chased by feet. Call Chintu. He will fly us to the parrot.
Huh?
Eeny, meeny, teeny, I'm a genie, I'm a genie. Yes, boss, what can I do?
We need to chase that parrot. Fly us to him. Hurry up.
Your wish is my command, boss.
Ah.